composite figure, area of a composite figure. Okay, you need to remember, separate into simple shapes, okay? We have two examples. I'm going to explain the two examples with different ways of solution. So in the first example, we have like an letter L, but you need to look for all the length that we have in the figure.
Profesor,
Yes.
¿puedo ir al baño?
Okay, but you will lose time of the class. It's your business. Okay. So we have here the first figure. We need to separate this figure. And remember that the objective is to calculate the area, but also you are going to calculate the perimeter of the figure. But the perimeter of the figure is more easier. Okay? Perimeter. So when I talk about perimeter, what is the definition of this word? What is a perimeter? What is a perimeter? Hello?
It's a base.
No, perimeter is perimeter. The definition of perimeter?
Espacio. Space.
No, space is area. Area is for space, the amount of space.
Distance.
Distance. So we're going to calculate all the distance of the edge of the figure. So we're going to calculate. So we need to add. This is an addition. Okay, so the perimeter for this figure is, we need to add, let's start with this length. 2 inches plus 10 inches plus what? Three plus 6 plus 7, and we finish. Okay. Sorry. ¿A quién? Ok, aquí me sale usuario de Zoom. Yo no sé quién es él. ¿Será ella? Pregúntale. Ahí me sale alguien usuario de Zoom. Yo no sé quién es. Okay. If we add these numbers, what is the answer? 2 plus 10, 12, plus 8, 20, 23, 29, and what? 36. 36 what? Inches. Okay? You got it? 36 inches of perimeter. So we're going to look for the area. Okay? No, this is the perimeter. So we're going to calculate now the area of this figure. When we talk about area, we think of the amount of space. Okay? But remember, this figure is a composite figure. So we need to separate into simpler shape. Remember to separate into simpler shapes. So I'm going to divide here, okay? And we have here area number 1, and we have here area number 2. We have 2 areas that we need to add to find the shape, the space of this shape, okay? The area number 1 is given by a rectangle, and we have here in the area number 2 the second rectangle.
El área del rectángulo es B por H o H por B.
Yeah, B times H or L times width. It's the same thing, okay? L times width or B base times A, height. Okay, so what is the base? In this case, the base is this distance that is the same thing as the top. What is the amount of the base? Base is it? 3 inches, okay? 3 inches.
Time 8 inches.
8
Or
inches.
6.
Don't use 6 because 6 is not the complete length of the height, okay? 6 is not the complete length of the height. So it's 8 inches. Area number 1 is 3 multiplied by 8.
24 inches and centimeter of square.
24 square inches. Square inches. Very good. So we find the first area.
Ahora hay que buscar el del cuadrado.
Yeah. So we're going to find the second one. That the second one
Profesor,
is
hay algo raro.
another rectangle.
Ah, ok. Pensé que era un cuadrado.
No, it's a rectangle too. So we have the same formula. Okay. Area number 2, we have base times height. So what is the base in this figure? Okay. The base is from
10
this.
and 2.
We cannot use 10 because 10 goes all the way along.
7 inches.
7 and 2.
You need to use 7 because we separate the figure here. So we need to use
También el 2.
7. 7 from this side to this dimension. So we have 7 here, inches. That's the same thing that we take 10 inches and subtract 3 inches from the 10, and we get 7. Okay, we have in the width, in the height is 2 inches.
7
7
and 2.
times 2. Okay, let's
14 inches of square.
yes, square inches.
Yeah.
The pronunciation is square inches, not inches square. This is square inches. Okay, very good. Okay, so we calculate the area of number 1, rectangle, number 2, second rectangle, and the total area. What is the total area? I'm going to place the letter T, that is the total, is the addition of the area number 1 plus the space, the amount of space of the area of the second shape. Amount of space of the first shape and an amount of space of the second shape, we need to add together 24 inches square, 24 plus 14 inches square inches.
38.
That is
38, profesor.
yeah,
Inch square.
square inches.
Okay, me confundo con eso.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, this is one way. Do you know why we solve this way? It's easy. We break down. We can break a different way. We can break here. Okay. If we break here, we have another different way, but we will find the same answer, okay?
Prof,
Yes.
we can make Kahoot with this.
A Kahoot.
Sí, de este tema.
I don't know because I don't think that Kahoot has the.
Kahoot no sirve para ese tema.
Yes. So you need to compute in your notebook.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to show you that there's a different way. Okay, we are using addition here. We are adding 2 different amount of space. Yes, 2 different amounts of space. But how can you solve this problem using subtraction? How can you solve using subtraction?
Profesor,
Yes.
How do we solve it if we have in some places inches and in some places centimeters?
Oh, that is a good question. If we have in one place centimeters and in other places inches, we need to use a conversion, okay, of units and change each unit to a common unit, okay? So you need to convert the units. But you will find always the units that are in the same system, okay? For example, centimeters with meters or inches with feet. You will not find inches with centimeter, but in some cases you can convert, okay? Because inches is in the standard centimeter in the standard system and centimeter is in the metric system. There are different systems of measurement. Okay, so we're going to solve one problem like this, but first of all, I need you to compute the space, the amount of
Lo
space.
escribimos, profesor.
Yes, you can copy. We are going to look for the second
Yo le voy a
shape.
tomar screenshot.
Yes, sí, toma la foto mejor. Okay, second shape. How do you divide this second shape? Tell me, how would you divide it?
Un rectángulo,
Here,
un cuadrado y dos, un rectángulo y dos cuadrados.
yeah. Okay. Okay. We have here, this is the area number 1, the amount of space. This is the second amount of space, and this is the third amount of space. We have here a rectangle, okay? So the first area number 1 is a rectangle, B times height. That is meaning. So in the first one, what is the base and what is the height? Base
Base
is?
es 5 y 2.
2 y 5.
Yeah, 2 times the height is 5.
5.
5.
So what is the first area?
10 square
easy.
inches.
No, we are using centimeters.
Centímetros.
Centimeters square.
Square centimeters.
Al revés.
Yes. Area number 2. The second one, we don't know, we don't know some information. We just know the base, that is this is a 3 centimeters. Here, you watch, 3 centimeters. But we don't know the height. What is the height? So we have
7.
3 centimeters here, 3 centimeters here, and we have this go all the way along here, 5 to 5 centimeters. So if you have 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters of the completed line, what is the amount that is lack?
2.
2 centimeters. Very good. So 2 centimeters is the height of the second figure and is different from.
Profesor, ¿por qué 2? ¿Por qué 2? Son 3.
Por el 2 de arriba.
Because we have 5 here in the complete line. And in the second line, we have just 3 from here. To complete to 5, what we need to, what we have? 2 more. 2 centimeters more to complete 5 centimeters, okay? We are comparing 2 lines, okay? Okay, let's draw here. We know that this line is 5 centimeters. That is this line here, okay? And we have a second line here that is 3 centimeters, okay? So to complete 5 centimeters, what do we need? They are the same dimension line, okay? Same dimension.
Me faltan 2.
So we need 2 centimeters. So this is the height of this second shape. Okay. The second shape. 2 centimeters of height. So let's copy. Base. 3 centimeters and height 2 centimeters. What is the area?
6 square centimeters square.
6 square centimeters.
5.
6.
6.
6.
3 por 2, ¿cuánto es?
6.
Yes, it's multiplication, guys. Okay, so we need to calculate the area number 3, and the area number 3 is easy because we have a square. Why we know that it's a square? Because the height is 5 centimeters and the base is 5 centimeters too. And we calculate that we have 3 plus 2 in this side. 3 plus 2, 5 centimeters. So in the bottom, we have 5 centimeters as the top. So what is the area of the square?
6 square centimeters.
25.
25, because we are going to the length square. Length square. And what is the length? The same
5
equal side.
centimeters.
5 centimeters. So 5 square. What does mean 5 square?
5 dividido entre 2.
No. Square, 5 squared, what is? 5 times
5 veces
5.
2.
The exponent indicate the number of times the base is used as a factor. Okay? 5
por
times
2.
5. Yeah. No, times 5 times. Okay.
25.
Yeah. We are going to multiply 2 times the number 5.
5.
Okay? 25. 25 what?
Square centimeters.
Very good. Square centimeters. Okay, we calculate all the shapes. We have the first amount of shapes.
Hay que sumarlas.
Yeah, we need to add. So the total, letter T, is the first amount of space plus the second amount of
41
space.
41 square centimeters.
So we have here 10 centimeters. We have here 6. Okay, I'm going to copy just the numbers. 10 plus 6 plus 25. So the amount is
41 square centimeters.
41 square centimeters. Very good.